Hi everyone! Welcome back sa ating vlog ng aming simpleng buhay dito sa Germany. And for today's video is in partnership with Timo just in time for holiday season and Black Friday. So, Christmas is around the corner. May pinadala silang mga affordable items na perfect pang regalo. For those who haven't heard of Timo yet, Timo is an incredibly popular online marketplace with massive selection in all product categories. They offer high-quality products with reasonable prices. From tech to home goods to fashion and beauty, they have everything. Shipping is also free for most of the product and they have a lot of promotion na nakakatipid ka talaga and napakaganda doon. They also have a 90-day send-back guarantee. So, kapag hindi mo nagustuhan yung product or may something na nangyari sa product, pwede mo siyang maibalik 90-day free send-back guarantee. I'm so excited na i-unbox kung ano ang mga laman nitong box at napakadami nito. But I cannot wait also to share sa inyo dahil we have a good news para sa mga new user. We are currently giving away €100 voucher package. Just follow the link in my description, scan the QR code, or go directly to the Timo app and enter my code in the search bar. Dito sa taas. Now, use my promo code and enjoy the €100 free product and enjoy shopping. My husband will help me to unbox all the things that we have here inside.
I think
So,
a lot of things.
First is this one. I'm also excited. Nakalimutan ko na kung ano yung in-order. Mostly pala yung in-order ko is home products. So, mostly is kitchen products. And pang regalo. What do you have here? So, we have here mug, coffee mug or tea mug. So, this is a ceramic mug that napakalaki niya. Tingnan nyo naman. It looks so classy. And, what do you call this?
It's a picture from Klim.
From Klim, and
it's called the Kiss. Even for my big hands, I can hold it.
And meron siyang yung handle niya is gold. And napakaganda yung ng itsura niya. Ganyan yung laman niya sa loob. And it malagyan siya ng 480 ml like coffee tea inside. This is for...
This is a present.
Present.
We're already...
This is for present.
And you see how good it was packed, so it can't broke.
And yeah, hindi siya nabasag dahil napakaganda ng nilagyan. And we have also another one. What is this? Yeah, sabi ko nga sa inyo, most of this is kitchen products. So, we have here plato, a salad plate. This is good. It's a salad plate and it's also big and talagang very secure yung nilagyan nila. Halos ko nga matanggal. Ayan!
2 plates.
So, since bago pa nga lang kami dito sa bahay, we need more things din. Isa na doon is yung mga plato. Napakaganda pala na you order it online in Timo and very secure. Ayan.
Yeah, nice.
It's ceramic. Ceramic deep plates na good for salad, for noodles. Yeah, ang ganda niya. Hi, I like this. Very social. Good for parties and events. Next time, I will order more. We also have, again, for the kitchen. Tingnan nyo naman, kung gaano nila kagandang, they pack it really well. Na may mga ganito pa, may mga styrofoam pa sila to protect. Dahil yung mga binili ko is talagang babasagin. So, they pack it so good, so it will not broke. This is like tray. Like a tray. I'm so happy na nakita ko siya in Timo. Tingnan nyo naman, hala, it's so nice. I thought it's plastic, alam nyo, I thought it's plastic, but it's ceramic serving tray, so ayusin niya asawa. For desserts and yung mga small na mga, cookies. Ay, ang ganda nito. For wedding, hala. Yeah, no? For wedding.
Nothing
Good. Nice. It's so stable.
It's so stable.
It really looks so expensive. With a cheap price na ganito na very ceramic ito siya. Hello, sobrang ganda. Can I put lumpia here? Oh, ang ganda.
So you can put fruits here.
Wow, I like it. And another one is, meron tayong wood utensils. And it looks so... so this is acacia. Did you know this is acacia wood utensils? And tamang-tama dahil sira na yung and old na yung aking mga wood na pangsandok. So, we have new. Ganda. And it really looks good. Hindi siya manipis and hindi din siya masyadong makapal. And it's so light lang siya. Hala, ang ganda. And ito is 5 na siya na piraso. So, yung aking luma is itatapon ko na yun.
So, for soup.
And this one is for soup. I don't have like this.
Not the size.
Hala, ang ganda. Ang ganda. I also have a kitchen towel. So, this one, maganda itong pangregalo. Itong ganito, since it's already Christmas season, magandang pangregalo. They have a lot of things in Temu. Like, everything you search for, nandun sa kanila.
Oh, yeah.
No? It's really, is it?
Good thick quality.
100% cotton. Tingnan nyo guys,
Yeah.
100% cotton. Ang ganda na itsura niya. We always need like this. Kailangan ko to sa kusina. Kaya, kumuha na din ako nito. And it's 1, 2, 3, 4. I also get kanang tuan, syempre from the kitchen, manual squeezer. Bali, dalawa siya. So, the other one is for orange. The other one is for orange and the other one is for lemon. Small and the orange is bigger. Tapos,
it's stable. It's metal.
ni aluminum. Aluminum.
Yeah, I thought it was plastic. And I thought when you ordered it was plastic, but really, yeah, it's aluminium.
Aluminum manual juicer.
Stable.
Squeezer.
So orange and I can press and lemon I can press.
Yeah. One, nagkumuha pala ako nito. This is for the entryway. A doormat.
You can get it out.
It's a non-slip. Ay, maganda. It's a non-slip rubberized. Rubber itong nandito sa baba. Ay, it's nice.
Especially good at the time where the winter is coming and everyone bring dirt inside.
And I also just get the gray color. Meron din itong other color. Nakalimutan ko na sa dami nating in-order noon. Nakalimutan ko na kung ano yung mga in-order ko doon. So,
yeah.
It's still for the kitchen. We have... Why? We have a wood stand for kitchen tissue.
I thought there was missing something, but no, I just need to screw it.
And it's just so easy to montage.
Finish.
Napakabilis pala. Ang bilis niyang Tapos, lagyan mo ng tissue. So, ilalagay ko ito sa aming dining room. Wood talaga siya. And, yung baba niya is merong ganito. So, it will not slip. Ang ganda! This one, the big one. Tingnan nyo, guys. I order a sofa cover. Since our sofa is, tingnan nyo, lahat na lang nandito. Our sofa is old and nilalagyan ko siya palagi ng cover. Of course, we have a child and the child always make it dirty. Like, minsan kumakain dito sa sofa. And hindi mo talaga maiiwasan na yung sofa is ma-dirty siya. And it's old na nga din. Kaya bumili na ako ng cover. And it looks so... wow! Ang ganda. And it's so soft. It's so soft.
And here it's anti-slip. So it's
yeah.
from the sofa.
Yeah, it anti-slip.
Not like...
Ano siya dito ba? Small rubber. May small rubber siya. And very soft niya.
Yeah, it feels like pure.
And maganda. It looks so nice. I get 90 by 180 centimeter. This one is the bigger.
The one is bigger that came here.
Guys. Meron pa. We it's still not finished. This one, hala, I'm so excited with this. So, did you remember our free chair? So, binilhan natin siya ng new cover. It's a chair. Our chair is light blue. And si anak he always make it dirty to protect it. So, kaya bumili ako ng ganito. Tingnan nyo, sobrang ganda ng itsura niya. And it's also so soft. And ito is, may rubber siya. So, para pag ipasok mo sa chair. So,
also here will you show?
I will show. So, ganyan na yung kanyang itsura na meron na siyang cover. Ayan. I like this. And maganda yung kulay. Kailangan mo lang siyang talagang ayusin. And the other one also. So, protective na siya. Lalo na kapag may bata na nagdudumi. I like this na may paano-ano silang. May ruffles sa baba. And this is the last one here in the box. Bumili ako ng damit since here is already winter in Germany. So, kailangan ko ng long sleeve. And it's good quality. Oh. It's really nice.
So you can wear it under the big pullover?
Ano siya, parang malamig siya na tela. Hindi siya makati sa katawan.
Elastic.
Stretchable.
Stretchable.
Stretchable. So, ayan. And it's dark blue.
So I like
this. I like this. And then you guys, And last but not the least is ito siya. This is the wall
cabinet where you can hang, put shoes and hang.
And hang jacket.
Hang jacket.
When
I remember right what you order.
Yeah, it's a shoe rack with a coat hanger. Very importante dito sa amin sa Germany is merong coat hanger dahil in winter season we always wear jacket. So after we go out, may lagayan ng coat and may lagayan ng sapatos. So this one I ordered in Temu. Oh, it's metal.
Metal and really strong frame.
I even thought it's plastic only. It's keeping surprises. It's getting every time. Surprise me every time. So, buksan natin ito dito. You will see what's inside. Mga part niya sa loob. So, ito yung mga laman niya sa loob. Very, siya? It looks so stable. Dahil metal talaga siya. Ayan. See? May mga metal na this. And ito yung parts ng mga yung mga screws. And it even still have decorative. And ito naman. Oh! Wow! Hello!
The seat?
The seat!
Yeah, because you can sit on it.
It have a seat?
Yeah.
I thought it's just a compartment.
No, it have a seat.
It have a seat, guys. My kutsyon. Hala, my kutsyon. And it have foam. Look. Hello?
Hello?
I don't know.
So
ayan yung papel kung ano yung mga laman. And how you taod it.
Tool is included.
A tool is so you need
And I search my tools.
You don't need tools to use dahil meron na pala silang tools na nilagay dito. Oh, wow. This is nice. This is practical.
Small tool.
Small tool and merong ganito. This is practical.
We'll make it alone.
Sobrang laki ng mga
Perfect.
Can you go down and Mama and Papa will finish it?
Here and here, and then it's like this.
Then you can put bag. There's a lot of hanging.
Yeah.
You can put bag. You can put cap.
Towel jacket. You also put here. Can here put other hanger.
So, nandito na yung ating 3-in-1 cabinet where you can put shoes here. Tapos, meron tayong halayan ng mga ito bag ni anak for kindergarten. Tapos, this one is...
You can put it down, but you can reach it.
Yeah, you can put it down for the jacket. And since marami tayong jacket, so ito yung aking jacket na mahaba. Tapos, pwede mo pang lagyan sa ilalim dyan. Another one more jacket. And very space-saving siya. And, ayan very stable din siya. Tapos kapag mag-ano ka ng sapatos, magsuot ka ng sapatos, para hindi ka mahirapan, hindi magsakit ang iyong likod. So, ganyan. May upuan. Very practical din. Meron siyang upuan. And napakaganda talaga with the price na mabibili mo siya sa Temu. I'm so happy with this. Malaki din pala yung space niya. Malagyan mo siya ng 1 pair, 2, 3, so, 3, meron pang extra yung 3. Sapatos naman ni asawa is medyo malaki. Boots ni anak for kindergarten. Kasya din siya. So, ayan. Sobrang ganda. I like it. So, guys, Black Friday season is around the corner. If you're looking for high-quality gadgets or everyday essentials, or if you're looking for gift for your loved ones this Christmas season, download the Temu app now. As a Filipina na living a simple life here in Germany, I make sure na yung mga in-order ko online is hindi ako mamumulubi and with a good quality. I'm so impressed na dito sa Temu, yung mga product nila is in affordable prices but high quality. As a reminder, if you're a new user, you can still grab the 100 euro voucher package. What you need to do is click in the link in the description, scan the QR code you see now, or just enter my code DXH3857 in the search bar to activate that offer immediately right now. Remember that it also includes free shipping and free 90-day returns on all your purchases. Thank you so much for watching our Temu haul for today. Let me know in the comment section what was your favorite product. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more of this video, and we'll see us again in the next one.